everyone, I'm Flora from Flora's Fiber Farrago, and today I have an unboxing of an order from Bewitched Pigments. I ordered a few things from their sale of cleansing, which they do at the sort of end of the year into the beginning of the new year to clear out some old stuff and kind of get their space all organized. So let's get into it. I have not opened it yet. I did cut the tape, but that's it. So let's take a peek. Got 4 bits and bobs, which is kind of any random little things. I got a Magic Mini Duo, so 2 mini skeins, and I got 2 of their Magic Fingering, which I believe is their sock weight yarn. So let's get into it. So here is the box. Ooh, and I guess we will start with these stitch markers. Oh, they are the little cat ones from Twice Sheared Sheep. So these are the ones that are size medium, so up to a US size 8. And they do look like they are ones that would work for both knit and crochet, which is great because I crochet. Oh, and they are super cute. Nice lightweight kind of brass color. What do you think? Athena thinks that she would like to be causing a ruckus and eating my yarn because I stole her seat. All right, let's see what else we've got. A yarn cozy. Oh, this is a fun one. So from Blink Waffle. Oh, this is cute. This is a really fun pattern. So this is their size large, which is also great. This would be good for hand spun as well as the worsted bulky that it says on here. So from Blink Waffle. Can see that, and super cute pattern. All right, now the other thing I've got, I think this is a darning egg for darning socks. I will have to ask my mom if this is something that she could teach me how to use or use herself, so I will have to see. Otherwise, I might just paint it and make it a cute little Easter egg. All right, so here is one of our minis. Oh, such a nice blue color. They got some nice blues with some speckles. This is very on brand for the winter weather we've been having today and yesterday. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, there's a little baggie that I suspect the egg was maybe in. Oh, there's also a crochet hook. Oh man, tiny one, a 0.9 millimeter. I don't think I have one of these in this size, so that will be interesting. And now, whoops. Oh, I bet, oh, there's a stitch marker on one of these. Oh, I figured out what was in the bag. Here we go. Nice little stone pink heart. Put him back in his little bag for safekeeping. Okay, so now the yarn. So yeah, fingering weight, it is 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon. Oh, and it is one of their kitchen sink colorways. It is so funny that this is one of the colors I got because when I went to Autumn Fiber Fest in October, I was really feeling the like eggplanty purple colors, and this will go really nicely with some of the ones that I got then. So that's really funny. But yes, gorgeous color with lots of different purples. Got a little bit of some speckliness in here. Nice like warm to cool tone purple. All right, and last one. So I must have only gotten one of the minis and not 2. May have misread my order slip there. So this one is the Magician. Oh, so that's why it comes with the little stitch marker of the Magician from their tarot card collection. This is really nice. It's got some nice like icy bluey aquas, which as you can see, I love. As well as some like peachy pinks and a nice like cool purple. All right, so I just went and weighed this guy because I checked my order form and I thought I was ordering a pack of 2 minis, but this is actually a double sized mini. So this one, instead of being their normal 20 grams, is actually 40 grams. So it's more like a half skein, which is fun. It's a nice little surprise. So I thought it'd be 2 different coordinating colors. But this, it's like 2 coordinating colors in one. Actually, I'm gonna unspin this and see if it actually might be 2 separate mini skeins. Oh, it totally is. Look at that. That's a clever way to keep them separate from the rest of the minis in their sale. Oh, that is so fun. So we've got blues, and then we have like tonal semi-solid blue here. I'm gonna twist them back up together so that I remember that I intended to do some weaving with both of these colors together. All right, so to recap, my 2 mini skein duo, 2 different colors, coordinating, very lovely. I have the Magician on the Magic Fingering Sock Weight base, which came with a little stitch marker. I have a gorgeous purple kitchen sink, also on the Fingering Sock Weight. And then for the goodies, I have already taken it off the thing. I have the Cozy Cakes Yarn Cozy from Blink Waffle, really fun pattern. I have what I believe is a darning egg for darning like heels and toes of socks. I have a really nice pink stone. I have a set of snag-free stitch markers that look like little cats, and I got a very tiny crochet hook. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will be sure to share what I get up to with these goodies. Thanks for watching.